Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today guys, it's summer here in Switzerland, so come with us guys, join. What's our place guys? This is Switzerland. Look at this. Summer. A lot of flowers. Flowers from the widges that animals can enjoy. Look at this. Beautiful. This is the best scenery here in Switzerland. As you see the mountain, there is still snow. That mountain is the Sentis. So this is the map. Enjoy guys, this is our surrounding here in the Alps here in Switzerland. Later guys, I will show you the animals, the sheep. I will show you guys. Let's go in that side. Very refreshing. Look at this. This is the town of Herisau. Wow, nice house. Look at that. The sheep, look. They are enjoying. Oh, greetings from our sheep here. Oi! They are coming. They give us greetings, guys. Me. Come. Come, baby, come. You give shots, you give. So my husband will give grass. Look, coming. Coming, coming. Ah! The other one get faster. They are participating. Look at them. Wow. They are not shy camera. Oh? Hello. Hello. Oh. Tell me. You want salt? Come on, guys. They only just give a greeting. So bye for now. You don't want to get disturbed. We're leaving. Ciao, 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 ciao. Ade. Ade. So guys, let me see if there are more animals on the way. Only dog. We can see dog. But I will not show you the dog because maybe the owner get mad if we make video for the dog. Sumiten. Sumiten on Kaufen. Oh, look at this. So beautiful. Look at that. Grüezi. So guys, last one we saw our local here people who lives here. We just give them greetings like Grüezi. Grüezi means hello. For one person. But if it's plural, more than one person, we say them Grüezi miteinander. Oh, harvesting! Honey! So, we don't focus. Just go ahead. So guys, look at this. Wow, beautiful. Very nice. So, let's go. Very nice. And that one is a garden house. Say it's true. That's it. So guys, if you want to rent a house, you can rent here. This is for rent, daily rental. It's very nice accommodation because it's facing to the Sentis Alp. Oh, beautiful. Are you happy, Mindsets? You enjoy walking with me?
Genau. Endlich machen
This summer, our first walking together. Wow, husband and me. So guys, this is the last one, the best. Boy. So